Single detached sa 13. Hello, I am Cindy Bernal Hapil, Sales Manager po ako ng Dream House Realty. So punta naman tayo sa Brookston Park, sa Barangay Cabuco, 13 Martires City, Cavite dahil meron kaming Anessa Single Detached na may lot area na 120 square meters. Ang floor area po nito is 75 square meters. So si Anessa Single Detached po ay may RFO and meron tayong pre-selling, meron tayong bear type, and meron tayong complete turnover. Ang financing po natin is in-house financing, bank financing, and pag-ibig financing. 20,000 to reserve po, and then 20% po ang down payment nito, payable ng 24 months. Ang amount po niyan is, kung 20%, 40,000. So, 40,000 per month sa loob ng